Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here, and now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him. You wait here until cell found. Alright, let's go. Have a good time.
Come on now, brothers! My life for
You and your love-like casual game? You guys should.
Yes, hello? Henry? Where are you? In the complex? Called the Wall? Oh, yes, of course, sir. We'll be right there.
sit tight. I'll let you know when we're close. Where exactly are you? Cafeteria? Okay, got the map here. Yes, there you are. Alright, how do you want to do this?
Hey, Henry! It's me! Yeah, I'm undercover. Yeah, I'm here to break you out. What?
Can you believe that
Come on, Henry, let's go! Get to the airship! You can use this to get there.
Intrusive thoughts when I should be studying.
That was a close one, Henry. But I'm not going to pull you up. See, without you, I become the leader of the Toppet clan again. I just wanted to look you in the eyes as I took it all back. Goodbye.